Correct, no?
I play even now.
Yeah, that's because it satiates your thinking.
Yeah.
Now, what you like playing there, you're doing with his words. But others can't do because, sir, they see now, when Ashwini sits with you, he will get tsunami of thoughts. So, what you're telling, he will tell you 10 more points about that.
Yeah. He will say all the problem, negative part of it.
And it's good, it's good.
It's good. He will give quite a feel that what I am thinking, maybe, I will think it's better way to do like this. He will say, no, there is a lot of problem in doing this. He will try to connect lot of things in that. Yes, of course,
Like
definitely
see,
an argument goes
please
on.
understand, these 5 fingers are not same, but only when they meet they become same, equal. So that is you have a beautiful setup. Okay, and we require all. The first time the plane was taking off, hey, wait, one Ashwini came. What happened? What if the engine stops in the middle? And that is why, because of him, a parachute comes. Because of people like him, they give you a precaution. That means a caution, Baba, you avoid that mistake.
Yeah.
So nothing is wrong.
Yes.
He's cautioning you.
Yeah.
So each one is easy. Now you sit with her, and even if you say 5 words, she will put the other things together. She is a logical person. He will create. Baba, tomorrow kya problem aa sakta hai, he will tell you. She will not be able to tell you. Because she is logic. Logic means what you give her, she is only compiling. But he is creating, ideating.
Yes.
Are you able to understand? And each one is very important in the company.
Yeah.
Now your job is, luckily, what a wonderful blend of.
We have got blend of team inside.
Wonderful blend.
Each one has got their own potential. If you have heard about a lot of
No,
people trying
sir, each one will have the different potential, but you have the right potential.
right potential.
That is very, very
For our
important.
required,
And therefore 100 is very, very possible. Okay, shall we clap for this wonderful? Got your points? Yeah. Okay, quickly, my dear friends, sit together as per your work, not more than 4, and quickly write down all the learnings from morning till evening. Otherwise, you are so wonderfully listening to me. I am feeling very good, but many of you have not written anything. And tomorrow when you go out, it shouldn't happen that you have missed the learnings. Because however much memory you have, you cannot remember everything.
Yes.
So what you do is, quickly, all site engineers get together, not more than 4. First note down the learnings and top 3 learnings, how to use it in your field. Otherwise what will happen? We will not convert the learning into activity. We don't want knowledge. Now we are convinced that that knowledge is not important. Action is important. They say knowledge is power. Most nonsensical statement on earth. If knowledge is power, my laptop has so much knowledge, it should have been dancing. Knowledge in motion is power. Knowledge in action is power. Knowledge by itself is potential energy. Action creates kinetic energy. So till now, from morning till now, you have created a lot of potential energy. How to convert it into kinetic energy? We हम लोग बैठ के, you sit in your groups, management one side, site engineers one side, accounts and support systems one side. Are you getting what I am trying to tell you? And quickly, first individually note down the learnings, now immediately, and then collectively we will see how to put it into action. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not reading 1 once. If I have said 5, 1, 2, 4, company has to work together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 sound. Correct. So 1 sound. Very, very important. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is the whole thing is firing? Till a company does everything with one symphony, you cannot produce your best. The rhythm, she is already prepared. Okay, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's getting better, but still that one sound.
One is coming very last. See, I think the distance also will maintain same so that it's easy.
Because if you are very good. Now I want you to be very observant. This is what I was waiting for. One like this, one like this. How can it click at the same time? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Much better. Okay, but not best. So that means ek bar. Okay. So now you decide exactly. Come
The
closer.
distance closer.
Again is a
We
problem.
make everybody
So you
maintain.
tell measurable. What is the meaning of closer? So बोलो 6 इंच 5 इंच.
इतना रखो अपने बॉडी के साथ.
इतना का मतलब क्या है?
5-6 inches like.
No, 6 inch.
6 inches 4 inches नहीं होगा.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Much better. See? So this is how a company should work. Now let me see how you are doing in a game. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. Okay? Sai, come here. In the middle. Or no? There are 2 girls. No, you come in the middle. And push these chairs. Let those chairs be there. These chairs behind. Nice collage with learnings. And this poster should be with everybody. This day cannot be forgotten. This is a red letter day. Are you getting what I am trying to tell you? I will make a nice collage for you with your learnings. And a booklet like thing. And write something. And you cannot forget today. How many pens? Pencils? Huh? Keep it here. 7 pencils? Keep it here. Okay? When I say 1, 2, 3, listen. You will take one pencil and pass it through the right hand. It will go
It
right.
stand like this?
Yeah. It will go right behind. And the last one. 2 people ready. Others are just standing. No Josh. No problem. India ready?
Ready!
Monday ready?
Ready!
How wonderful. On.
सर जरा कंफ्यूजन इधर ही रोटेशन होने का उधर जाने का
नहीं
हम लोग अलग टीम है, वो लोग अलग
India
टीम है.
versus Mandya. उधर मत भेजो. Okay, right. On your mark. Trial round.
राइट साइड
On your mark. Get set. Go.
Pass. ಕಣ್ಣು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾ
जल्दी ले लो
जल्दी ले लो यार.
यार
Done. We have done first.
Monday.
You have 6. What happened? See, one is holding the ring. Okay. Listen here. 2 minutes 1 second. 2 minutes 3 seconds. Okay. And still the pencil was there. Now 1 minute. Vandana ji, please tell why this side won, why this side lost.
What I observed is they were confused कि वो गया है उसको कि नहीं गया और
Okay.
आया.
Number one. On your side, in your office, you cannot do any work where there is confusion. Now what happens is, he is my boss, and I go, sir, what to do? Hey, what man? So many years now. Do man. This confusion, please don't tolerate. Let him get angry now, because afterwards, work will not be done, and that will be worst. Sir, you get angry, but you please tell me I am not very clear. Are you getting what I am trying to tell you? Where there is confusion, you are inviting problems. Okay? What is the meaning of confusion? Con means to cheat. Fusion. Fusion means to become one. I am cheating that opportunity to become one. So please don't tolerate it. Next. Anything else?
And that was the one thing. And another thing is कि excitement से
Okay. I purposely kept her in the front. Quality control madam, listen. Now you tell me, he is picking up with right hand and the pencil is to the right. She is picking up with right hand and the pencil is to the left. That means when you tolerate and do not use your brain and adjust ಮಾಡಿ
ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಾರ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಚಾನ್ಸ್
That's why it's a trial.
It's a trial.
I told you trial.
It's not the final.
I'll give you 2 more chances. For your sake, one additional chance I'll give you that. My question is, why do you wait for... Why can't you apply your mind immediately? Why do you adjust? Please tell me. You should have told 1 minute. We want to be Ulta. Who has told you you should be facing this side? Are you getting my point? Madam, quality control. Why I am telling this is, do I follow QC in my life or am I only practicing in the office? I have to be QC in my life. Whatever I do, am I doing it properly? Anything else? Actually, frankly speaking, this team should have lost. Why?
When you are giving this side, other people will feel you are right. That is what I am. If that kind of thing is going right, then I will not see others also.
Ready? Okay. On your mark, get set, go. Yeah. No, one more missing. Now, one minute, listen here.
You got 8 pencil or what?
Actually, what we were doing like this and this. उनको लगा खत्म and we was confused eating.
Okay, listen here.
आखिरी
Listen
कितना
here.
है?
Yeah, listen here. Vandan and I was just discussing. We found out 2 problems in the previous game, and you solved those 2 problems, and you stood. You never thought. I give you 2 minutes. You're not made use of your time. I told you height is a problem. Whatever is a problem, you just solve that and stood up again. Okay. Now I'll tell you one more thing. In the middle, no points taken. If you have never played a game in your life, you see how the I am not taking my pen here. My left hand pen I'm not taking. I'm getting angry because he's not taking my right hand pen. There is no coordination happening. Okay. Now, 40 seconds. Please spend some time. Don't be foolish. Don't go superficial. Go a little deeper. That is why you are not able to finish your job in 5 days time. Because you are not applying this type of thinking. Okay? Please go discuss for 2 to 3 minutes. Target is 40 seconds. Can do or no? You will do it? Come on, come here. You all go there. And 40 seconds.
ट्राई करेंगे ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಕಣ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ में हम एक्शन करते हैं सिर्फ राइट साइड
Set, go!
Here, Dusty was seeing lot of times here and there. So that, that person I think wasted
See,
time.
very interesting point.
हाँ,
We are losing energy in unwanted things. There is no need to turn. Feel here, see here.
हाँ.
Have faith in the person there.
yeah.
He'll touch it, you.
ऐसे किया. So that's how the things are. They are not even.
Number 2, very nicely observed. They've changed. They started with left hand. Because they made advantage. Why should I do with right hand? As long as it goes around and comes. So they picked up with left hand, they went ulta and came back. And you know the time? 23 seconds.
Wow.
this, with the whole spread out thing, it is not possible to understand the problems. Are you getting this point? Now you see, as we discuss, you will come to know how the things unfold. Start,
सर मैं स्टार्ट करता हूँ
please.
कि कभी भी हम लोग कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट आता है पॉज करने से पहले उस एरिया में जाके चेक करना चाहिए ऑलरेडी हो रहा है हाँ, मेरा कहने का मतलब है कि अब पहले जाके चेक करना चाहिए कि जहाँ हम लोग प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं उस एरिया से मटेरियल क्वालिटी कितना दूर पे है क्योंकि क्या कई बार क्या होता है हम जैसे वाराणसी और नॉर्थ में काम कर रहे हैं तो वहाँ पर मटेरियल अवेलेबिलिटी बहुत कम है कि आपको कुछ भी लेना है तो कम से कम 15 to 20 किलोमीटर जाना पड़ेगा मिनिमम तो आपको जाना ही पड़ेगा अगर आसपास में कुछ नहीं है तो हम लोग वो भी कॉस्ट अपना प्रोजेक्ट में इन्वॉल्व करना चाहिए कि ऐसा नहीं है प्रोजेक्ट मिल गया ऐसा नहीं है कि हम लोग प्रोजेक्ट कोट किया तो प्रोजेक्ट मिल गया हम लोग काम करें तो पूरा जो पूरा है हिडन कॉस्ट को हम लोग पहले से ही देखना है वो फर्स्ट थिंग है कि मेरा जाके चेक करना है
See, क्या होता है? If Hitler lost the war, single reason is this. He never envisaged that when I go to Russia, Yugoslavia, what will happen? So when I'm taking an order which is far away, can I also connect with those people? Rather than me sitting in this office here in Bangalore and trying to think of something which is not going to be the end result. Are you getting what I'm trying to tell you? So my dear friends, whenever costing is done, I'll give you an example. McKinsey did a survey of whether, what is that, cornflakes, which cornflakes?
Chocos.
Or which company?
Kellogg's.
Kellogg's. Kilometers. Bangalore, you need not run kilometers. Are you getting? So logistics, you have to give a lot of importance. Otherwise, the profitability will come down. Logistics have to be given importance. So we clap for this. Now, does it make sense? Will this help this discussion? Right. Next team.
I'll speak on the team. The purchase order to come. And when purchase order comes, we all just run. It's like a rugby, we have to go from our start to project line. We have got a general, the schedule in hand. But whether it is feasible to work there, we have not done that kind of a detail. See, like we call it as micro programming. What we do, we generally give to the client, I can complete this project in 6 months, giving some kind of a main dates and telling them this building will be this building will be this. But this building and these activities are so many that we need to list it out. Once I receive the purchase order, finally we should be planning on the micro list also. And then if we go into that we can plan it in such a way that we will be able to execute. Even minute things are not missed. What happens in the project last minute, we miss so many things. So we don't miss. So the very first day, all the project managers who are handling this project, they should be fully equipped. They should know what I am going to do. That is one thing which we need to practice in our system.
I'll give you a very nice example. I was working in SK&F and you are very happy. The reason is, in UK, there was a strike, main plant. And it was such a huge strike, they wanted IODEX from India. We were very happy. Okay, order will come, order will come, order will come, order will come. And suddenly after 22 days, order came that within 1 week, this has to be shift. We worked three shifts. Believe me, my dear friends, I never used to come back home. Like excitement, our product going to UK. And our product went to UK. The temperature here in India is around 30 degrees centigrade. When our IODEX reached there, finger was not entering inside. Because for that temperature, it all hardens. Nobody thought of all these problems. Are you getting what I'm trying to tell you?
Yeah.
We should have, when this message came, we should have had a meeting. Why? What should we do? Petroleum jelly should be little softer because it's going to a cold country. This what formula we have made, it's as per the local conditions. Nobody sits and thinks and plans. Only last minute firefighting we do. And when we are doing firefighting, your logic doesn't work because there is tension. Urgent and important. When both these together get together, there is chaos. Important. When it is important, you should sit and plan. Not when it is urgent. When it is urgent, it is only firefighting. Are you getting this point, my dear friends? Many people have made this mistake. Okay, you see, Fiat car and Ambassador car. Okay, Fiat car, there was a time we had to pay 6 years in advance one draft, and then they used to book your Fiat car, and people used to sell the paper also. Why can't you every day 1 minute stop? Let us think. Why can't you think before time? Why are you waiting for a problem to awaken you? Why can't, okay, how can I do it better? That's why, in Japan it's a rule, Kaizen. Kaizen means, Zen means good. Okay, continuous good. Kaizen. Why can't that be in our blood? Okay. Today I took class, I will go home and think, how could I have done it better? What are the points I could have covered which I have not covered? Now because I think, next time when I go to a construction company, definitely because I have done already 4 construction companies, today I am able to give you so many answers. Are you getting what I am trying to tell you? So why wait for somebody to tell you this? Complaining versus contemplating. Remember these 2 words, very, very important. Energy is same, time gone is same, attention is only negative or positive. So today onwards, my dear friends, attention means if you don't want to be at attention afterwards, you be in attention now. Okay, got it? Shall we clap for this one? Next.
According to whatever we've prayed, I think our main problem is coordination. Internal planning is very much required. And secondly, there needs to be a direct communication between the head office and the sites. So our suggestion was that we could have some weekly meetings between the site or once in a month meeting at the head office, or a second option for people who are not in Bangalore. For them, we could have a con call once a week with the entire staff, the top management as well as all the people working there. So if there are 3 people or 4 people, let's have all of them on board, or maybe in one place, Skype, or have a con call on the phone to get a better solution and to get better results.
Okay.
That's what we.
Today, unfortunately or fortunately, we have virtual offices.
Yeah.
There is no one office. You have a perennial virtual office. Okay? And the problem is, an unused path grows grass. An unused knife grows rust. And unconnected people get disconnected. And therefore, it is very, very essential and mandatory. WhatsApp. Everybody has a mobile. You should have a WhatsApp connection. Everybody should write 1 line about, in 1 or 2 lines, you are also improving their communication skills. What happened today?
Yeah, this is what is very important.
If you do not have WhatsApp connection connected, it's difficult. You have the wherewithal, but you are not using it. You never thought that, oh, forget WhatsApp. You create your own Facebook account. And everybody should write in 2-3 lines what happened in our place. Why can't you do that?
And we can even make a group on that.
That's what I'm telling you. So, it is very easy, my dear friends. Today we are very well connected. There is no problem at all. God has blessed you with everything. But we have not gone. That's exactly what we are not going little further. We're all the time, there's nobody with bird's eye view to connect everybody. This world is of connection. Networking. Are you getting what I'm trying to tell you? So please start either in Facebook or WhatsApp, whatever, somewhere. Start. Okay? Right. So we clap for this wonderful idea. Yeah. The fact is, if you don't know, Benadryl jante ho na? So I was in Benadryl production. And Monday I was very happy I've been made in charge of Benadryl. Benadryl produce करने गया 3000 लीटर का बैच था, पूरा बैच खराब हो गया. I got really nervous. यार ये क्या हो गया? So I remember Mr. Ford. Anything else?
Next point, sir.
One major thing which we are looking at is the team. A technical meeting, when we start the site immediately, down the line we have a team, right? Sometimes I observe that the down the line team doesn't understand what is the scope of work. if manager knows, and we have been discussing continuously with all the team members and they are all fine, they know, but down the line does not know what is the scope, what we are going to do, how we are going to start the work tomorrow. There is some kind of a gap between the project manager and down the line people. I think that it should reach even to the safety, it should reach even to the procurement, it should go reach down to the supervisor who's taking care of the project. It should totally, all that entire team should know what they are going to do. So that kind of coordination needs to be.
Yeah, see what happens is very simple.
सर मेरा एक आंसर है इसमें, कभी भी हम लोगों को प्रोजेक्ट मिलता है तो इंडक्शन होना चाहिए सर, जो कॉर्पोरेट में वो भी हम लोग नया प्रोजेक्ट जा रहे हैं करने के लिए, तो उससे पहले हम लोग कॉर्पोरेट को जो भी उसमें इन्वॉल्व हो, मेन और जो प्रोक्योरमेंट जो भी सेफ्टी, उसको बुलाना चाहिए और उधर एक मीटिंग होना चाहिए कि हमारा एक ड्राइंग है, सेफ्टी वाले को ड्राइंग पता नहीं पढ़ने का, तो वो भी सीख जाएगी ड्राइंग क्या है, क्या क्या कहाँ पे आ रहा है, तो उस सब जो पूरा पॉइंट हमको दिखाई देगा, सेफ्टी क्वालिटी जो भी है, जो भी सुपरवाइजर डाउन लाइन है, और ठीक है अगर डाउन लाइन दूसरे साइड पे काम कर रहा है तो ठीक है, जो मेन आ सकता है उसको सबको बुला के हम लोग एक मीटिंग करके सबको, अगर उस मीटिंग में हम लोग बताएंगे इस एरिया में हमको काम मिला है, इस एरिया में ये दिक्कत है आप लोगों को, उधर जाने के बाद ये दिक्कत होगी, तो पूरा चीज एक्सप्लेन करेंगे तो ईजी हो जाएगा, कोई भी उस एरिया में काम करने के लिए जाएंगे तो हमको एक आइडिया मिलेगा, साथ में ड्राइंग शेड्यूल सब उधर डिस्कस होगी तो सबको पता चलेगा। तो ये हम लोग उसी वक्त करना चाहिए जिस वक्त हमको दूसरे साइड को जाना है, तो इमीडिएट जब पीओ अगर रिलीज होता है अपना, हम लोग मोबिलाइज करना है, उसी टाइम हम लोगों को ये करना है साइड ऑफिस में, जो हेड ऑफिस में।
It does connection, you know.
Till petrol bunk. Okay. Good morning to you, sir. Petrol or diesel? Do you mean to say they don't know? They know it. Petrol or diesel? Petrol. How many, sir? 1,000 rupees. Okay. 1,000 rupees? You know, they make you feel nice. So unless everybody knows what it is, sir, C0, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So in short, whenever you're doing any job, you involve everybody in, those who are in that team, and a whole lot of things will start happening. Please understand, my dear friends, when you involve everybody, the vibrancy is different. Okay? I'll give you an example. Suppose I slap you, the pain is more. But in a boxing ring, I'm hitting you 10 times more. But you're not getting the hit because you're mentally prepared. So when you involve the whole team and tell them, Baba, this is what is going to happen, then everybody gets involved. They don't get irritated. Okay? Now you don't involve. You are told by me, go and do and they get irritated. Dham, boom, all sound is coming. Breaking is going on. But you involve everybody. We are going to have construction coming up next door, and we are going to grow big. These are our people. Any questions you have? Now what am I doing? I only made everybody spend half an hour, but next 3 months no problem. Can I do that? Is very very okay. So shall we clap for this wonderful solution?
Very well taken. We should have every team.
उससे क्या होगा, हमें आप एक दूसरे की तरफ कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए, कंट्रोल होना चाहिए कि आपको यहाँ पे साइड देखना, ठीक है, कोई वहाँ पे काम चल रहा है, वहाँ इतनी टेंशन नहीं होनी चाहिए सेफ्टी की। हाँ, अगर प्रॉब्लम होती है, he can ask the safety guy. If I am looking at site, I am making other people work. If I am making out कि बिल्डिंग बन रही है, I am supervising that. If मेरे को प्रॉब्लम है, I can discuss engineer or a supervisor कि वैसे ये प्रॉब्लम आ रही, phone we have, other thing we have, we can coordinate कि यहाँ ये प्रॉब्लम आ रही है कि आप बताइए कैसे कर सकते हैं। सेफ्टी में अगर उनको प्रॉब्लम है, they can coordinate with us, उनको ये क्या हमें मालूम है, क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, बता सकते हैं। What we have सब protector। हमें ये नहीं कह रहा कि मैं सबको ये करने का, बिकॉज जो हम वी आर प्रोजेक्शन कंसल्टेंसी कंपनीज है, तो हमें ये देखना चाहिए कि लाइक ही इज डिप्यूटेड ऑन वन प्लेस एरिया, तो वहाँ की वर्क एज वेल एज सेफ्टी ही इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दैट, ही शुड बी वॉचिंग इट आउट। अगर मैं देख रहा हूँ एज अ सेफ्टी ऑफिसर, आई एम रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर सुपरवाइजरी वर्क, अगर क्वालिटी में कोई इतनी मेरे को जैसी नॉलेज नहीं है, तो इवन आई कैन आस्क, वी कैन हेल्प ईच अदर इन वर्क। It means कि we should work together and every work is our, not कि सेफ्टी वाले का काम है या किसी और का काम है। उससे क्या होगा, क्लाइंट्स की टारगेट्स भी अचीव होंगे और एज अ प्लानिंग वी कैन आल्सो वर्क। कोई इशू क्रिएट नहीं होगा अकॉर्डिंग टू अस।
नहीं, actually
that I being an engineer have to do a safety person's work. No. That is a different thing. But basics have to be followed by everybody. Along with it, we should have set targets for everyone. That if this is your work, if I've given you a duration of 3 months, it is your duty, it is your baby, how you complete it. You need some support, you come up to us and tell, okay, this is what I need 2 more people under me, I need so much of materials or resources, I need it at this duration. That is a different thing. That we have to provide them to make sure the targets are complete. So that is what we meant by control and
See, this control, you take any job. I tell you a simple thing. There are 6 W's and 1 H. Before you start a job, ask the 6 W's and 1 H. What, why, when, where, which, who, how. If you ask these questions, you will have no problems, whether safety or engineering or work or whatever it is. What am I doing? Okay? Why am I doing? How I can avoid if you make some questions, no, and give everybody, just ask this question, they will answer to themselves. You need not have any problem at all. Are you getting what I am trying to tell you? 6 W's, 1 H, unko friend bana lo. Ask those questions, and you know those questions are very, very pertinent. You start any work, only morning you ask these 6 questions, 7 questions to yourself, and the magic will happen. You just see. Am I right what I am telling? It's very, very magical. जितने तुम्हारे प्रॉब्लम है ना, उसको जितना कॉन्सेंट्रेट करो. 10 लीटर दूध लेके क्यों जाते हो यार? 250 ग्राम पेड़ा लेके जाओ ना, उसका खवा बनाओ ना. All what you said finally is coming to one this
thing,
you specifically question, create karo and give it to all the side. By early morning you ask these questions. Today what am I doing? Where are the problems which could come? If you start questioning, then you are all in one, safety officer, worker, supervisor or project manager or everything. Are you getting this? Shall we clap for this wonderful? Okay.
हम लोग प्रोजेक्ट्स बेसिकली विद सब कॉन्ट्रैक्टर करते हैं. एक साइट मैनेजर कोई भी जो साइट पे कंटिन्यू काम कर रहा है या अपनी साइट जुड़ा हुआ है, किसी भी साइट को, इट डजंट मैटर, उसका व्यू लेना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. बिकॉज पिछले प्रोजेक्ट में बोलना बहुत इजी, इट इज़ वेरी इजी टू से कि ये लैग हो गया, उसका प्लानिंग फेल हो गया था, लैग हो गया. इट इज़ हेड ऑफिस से भी कनेक्ट होता है. कोई भी प्लानिंग फेल होता है तो हेड ऑफिस भी उसमें इन्वॉल्व है, कहीं ना कहीं कुछ रहा होगा प्रॉब्लम. रेट एनालिसिस, मैंने काम लेना है, आपके पास में जाता हूँ, मैंने अपने रेट आपको देने हैं. उससे पहले मैं 4 लोगों से उसी काम के 4 रेट लिए और आपको अपना रेट डाल के दे दिया. बट क्या वो जो 4 रेट मिले हैं वो परफेक्ट थे? ये एनालिसिस बहुत रिक्वायर्ड है. बिकॉज एल्युमिनियम का मटेरियल एक ब्रांडेड है, बाकी सारे लोकल बहुत है. आपने उसको रेट दिया 10 रुपए का, तो क्या 10 रुपए में आपने वो एनालिसिस की कि 10 रुपए में वो आइटम पड़ भी रहा है आपको? वो दे तो दिया आपने, उसने 10 रुपए में लिया, आपने लोअर वाले को उठाया, आपने रेट दिया, कर लिया, हमने कर लिया. पर क्या उस 10 रुपए में उसने जो रेट आपको दिए थे उसमें वो एनालिसिस में फिट बैठते हैं? ये एनालिसिस बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरी है किसी भी आइटम पे. हर आइटम पे सामने वाले ने रेट दिया, मैंने उसके ऊपर रेट दिया, हमको प्रॉफिट है या हम लोग करेंगे, इट इज अदर वे. बट सबसे बड़ी चीज़ क्या है, अगर आप उस चीज़ को फाइंड आउट नहीं करोगे, आप काम कर रहे हो, आपने हाथ बंद कर दिया, कल आपको करना है, अब आप क्या करो? दूसरे वाला तो 15 मांग रहा था, आपने 12 के हिसाब से 18 रुपये डाले हैं, अब तो फंस गए. और आपने वो भी नहीं किया था एनालिसिस, अब आप एनालिसिस करके देख रहे हो तो जो आइटम रेट है वो तो इससे महंगा आ रहा है. अब आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? या तो आप क्वालिटी मिस करो, आप अपने मान को भी गिराओ, जो कि हम लोग नहीं करते. हमारा फर्स्ट एजेंडा है कि क्वालिटी हमें देखनी ही है. जो आइटम हमने कोट किया है, चाहे हमको, और किया हम लोगों ने,
नहीं वो तो भी आई थिंक वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इनफ, ऑलरेडी कवर्ड दिस पॉइंट दैट वो टर्नओवर में हम हमारा कर लेंगे. यहाँ लॉस वहाँ लॉस चल जाता है यार, ओवरऑल प्रॉफिट है.
ओवरऑल क्वालिटी बाईपास होता है.
ओवरऑल तो उसके लिए
क्वालिटी
analysis-
बाईपास भी होता है.
ओवरऑल क्या होता है?
नहीं होता, because as you are telling very clearly, I cannot buy the material which your specification के हिसाब से है 15 रुपीज से कम नहीं आ रहा है, बट मेरा प्राइस है 12 रुपया, तो 15 रुपीज से we will not compromise. We purchase at 15 rupees and we have made it. You would have lost it.
No, but
So
what
we
you
are
are
not
trying to
compromising on
say
that.
that we can apply it in our next
Yes.
Whatever
क्या है
they
कि
are
अगर हम
doing.
उसको क्वालिटी, मैं वही बोलना चाह रहा हूँ कि जो चीज रेट आए हुए हैं उसका एनालिसिस एक बार हमारे पास ये होना चाहिए, हमारे दिमाग
में कि जब एल्यूमिनियम का काम चल रहा था तो उन्होंने उनका रेट में नहीं बैठा, इसलिए उन्होंने एल्यूमिनियम का जो ब्रांड था उसको चेंज कर दिया, थिकनेस को कम डाल दिया। तो इससे क्या होता है, वीआर स्टील प्रोडक्ट्स का ही नाम खराब होता है। सब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जो भी करता है वो वही करता है, जब क्वालिटी बाईपास होगा तो फायदा नहीं है काम करके।
Correct. See, what we have, that definitely we should not compromise. At the same time, what you are talking about is, any next project, see, what happens, it is project which is, you are not involved in the costing part. When the project, when we got the purchase order, you are not at all involved, correct? You are all came in when the order is being placed in hand and we have been given a job to you. Because it's definitely, it's not your mistake. We come, go there, we see surprise. See, for example, there, when we took the costing, we did it in Bangalore. We took some cost from the local by phone contacts. We got some rates from that in UP, Varanasi में some that this is your cost and all. So based on that, we worked out and we put the cost. Okay, when we actually went there, the material was not available at 25 kilometers. When we reached there and we started the project, the material availability has reached to 170, 150 kilometers away.
Oh, okay.
It was that much of gap when the metal started coming in from there. That when metal factory was closed, which was very close to that factory. When we started, unfortunate. Can you tell the client, I am sorry, boss, I didn't know that 25 kilometers it was, I costed it, but I have got back at 170. So we are
No,
losing
then
there.
now either you lose money or you lose your
Credibility. yeah.
Credibility goes up. So we cannot see that time. I am losing money. No, okay, go ahead. What to do?
Okay, so let's be very clear that nobody really wants to do loss.
Yeah.
But in the long run, we have to see that somewhere down, even if sometimes you have to do loss, जैसे tug of war में थोड़ा ढील छोड़ना पड़ता है, तो overall, we have to say, okay, this project we have lost, but we are having another 8 projects, we'll make that. Overall picture, bird's eye view होना चाहिए.
Sometimes I say, yeah.
It's okay, very nice. And the sentence if you read here,
Can we have a tea break or after 15 minutes?
oh, we forgot about the tea and all, no? Very nice. Very interesting team you all are. So, tea and lunch and all you forget. You have to be reminded. So, you come. Are you getting?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Yeah.
ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೀನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಸರು ಬರೀಕೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಸರು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಏನು, ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ಒಂಥರ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್, ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಇರೋದು ಬರೆಯೋಕಲ್ಲ
Okay. Start. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ನು ಪುನಃ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
किसके बारे में सर?
ಬಿಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್.
पेंसिल जो अभी हम लिखते रहते हैं तब ये कम होता रहता है, मगर पेन में ऐसा रहता है सर। पेन के बारे में जब भी हमारे को टाइमिंग मालूम नहीं है ये कब कम होता है, जब ये खत्म हो तो फिर हमारे उसको शॉपिंग करके फिर लिखते जाता रहता है, उसका एंडिंग मालूम नहीं हमारे को कब होता है ये।
So the best part in pencil is कि हम लोग कुछ लिखते हैं,
Okay.
वो हम बता सकते हैं.
See,
You will realize after.
what I am trying to tell is, he has spoken 2 languages of the pencil. Now I will talk the same 2 languages of the pencil, okay? Starting with brand. My dear friends, which language you want me to talk?
हिंदी.
हिंदी. भाई और बहनों, हम नाम देकर क्यों पेंसिल लेते हैं? नाम देकर क्यों होटल में आते हैं? ब्रांड की तरह, ब्रांड देखकर आते हैं. तो अगर मैं एक इंसान ब्रांड बन जाता तो कितना अच्छा होता. हम क्यों इस ब्रांड की तरह नहीं बन पाते हैं? क्योंकि हमारा टाइम हम जाया करते हैं. हम 2 मिलते हैं तो इनके बारे में बातचीत करते हैं, ये 2 मिलते हैं तो मेरे बारे में. मैं किस तरह से बड़ा ब्रांड बनूं उसके बारे में हम सोचते नहीं. So now it made a lot of difference. Are you getting the point? So when I want to correct mistakes, it doesn't depend what I talk, how I talk, what I talk is very, very important. Now I'll come to the same pencil. Okay, what he told, the second thing. There are 2-3 ways I can talk. Pen is used for writing, and every time I write, this goes down and I sharpen. This is normal. This is sentence. People are not excited with it. Ask questions. My dear friends, can you imagine your life without this pencil? You want to note down something. Where will you write? How will you write? And by writing, this goes. So what do? By asking questions, don't you think I'm respecting you more? Whenever you want to correct somebody, don't tell a sentence. It is hurting. It is like advice. Ask a question. It is nullified. You got your answer? जब भी कुछ गलत हो रहा है, sentence मत बोलो. It looks like you are an advisor. Question करो. Can we do this better? कुछ अच्छा तरीका हो सकता था, हम अच्छी तरह से कर सकते.
Listen, okay? It's very important for you.
Are you getting what I'm trying to tell you? To avoid mistakes, to avoid repercussion, to avoid confusion and conflicts. Simple question. And don't use why. What is another way we could have done this to do better? Don't say this is wrong. Sentence is kill. What and how? How we could have done it better? How is the best way? I think morning I showed you. How is the most convenient way? People don't get insulted. Why? You are folding your sleeves. Are you getting what I'm trying to tell you? So shall we clap for this one? Good, पता चला मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. Very good. Yeah.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾತಾಡು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾರೆ?
ನಂದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಕನ್ನಡ?
Stick is 8 annas, 50 paisa. Paper is also 50 paisa. But as soon as the kite is made, it is 10 rupees. So the value increases when you do the same thing in the right manner. Then you buy another 5 rupees thread, 10 rupees thread, and when the kite flies, there is no cost. But the feeling is something wonderful. Learn to talk like this. Okay? The best part is the kite will fly against the wind. And another best part is the kite is not flying, the rope is in somebody, the thread is in somebody else's hand. Are you getting what I'm trying to tell you? So as long as you are not showing off, as long as you are telling the safety officer of Coke that you are not making a mistake, our point is not to point out mistake. Our point is to आगे बढ़ो. Enjoy the game. Don't work for name and fame. Because no sooner you start asking for name and fame, you are finished. ಆ ಮರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಣ್ಣಿದೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಣ್ಣು ಇದ್ದರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. नेचर इज द बेस्ट टीचर. जितने फल ज्यादा उतना झुकेगा फल, आई मीन पेड़. लेकिन इंसान में क्या है, थोड़ा डिग्री ज्यादा आया, थोड़ा पैसा ज्यादा आया, मैं, अरे क्या मैं यार, बकरी बन जाते हो, मैं गेटिंग द पॉइंट. Don't. The more you bend, you have no tension. But suppose there are two trees, 1,100, and the 1,000 is bending more. अरे मैं तेरे से झुक गया, ऊपर आऊंगा, stress and strain. Yeah, don't show off. Never. A person who tries to show off is gone. It is a tension for him only. Especially when I go to Delhi, I've seen most of the families there living only for show off. Am I right or wrong?
Absolutely.
I don't know for what reason. What are they trying to show off and for what reason? Loan लेके show off करेंगे. Whereas when I go to Bombay or even Coimbatore and all, showroom खाली, storeroom बहुत होता है. दिल्ली में उल्टा है. Storeroom खाली, showroom में loan लेके बताएंगे. For what reason? What are you trying to show whom? Am I right, madam?
Absolutely.
Somewhere something is wrong. Never in your life, my dear friends, do anything to show off. It will misfire. But if you are genuine, no, यार हम कंपनी में लॉस नहीं होना चाहिए, कंपनी की सेफ्टी देखना चाहिए, and the way you ask, no safety officer of that company will ever have problem with you. Your sincerity, not seriousness. जिस आदमी में sincerity है, people are respected. Are you getting what I'm trying to tell you? If you have proved to the company you are sincere, nowadays here, I told you how to show sincerity, credibility, which, Kadambari was that. Credibility. Are you committed? Are you consistent? Do you have character? Is credibility. लेकिन आजकल हम सिर्फ, people use this word credibility, but they don't know what is credibility. Credibility means, are you committed? Number one question, ask yourself. Okay? Number 2, are you consistent or are you moody? Number 3, do you have the character which is expected of you when I gave you the job? Are you retaining it? These 3 form credibility. Are you getting the point? So once you know, oh, yeah, मेरी credibility या company की credibility depends on these 3 C's. And when these 3 C's meet, your chemistry first with yourself and with others automatically becomes good. That is the beauty. These 3 C's increase your chemistry with yourself first and then with others. And therefore nobody will leave you. Are you getting this point? Wonderful. Shall we clap for this? Please ask me questions because these things will not get in books. We use all these words, but we have not been able to connect. And thank you. I should give you 2-3 cards now because your questions are really very interesting. Before you go, you collect those cards. That card was good. What I gave you?
Yes, very nice.
Very nice, no? So you take 4 cards from me. Very nice questions you have been asking.
4 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ 4 ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಕಾರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ದುಡ್ಡೇನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಜೋರಾಗಿ.
ಸರ್ ಅಭಿ ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ
ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ.
ನಾನು ಈ ಕಂಪನಿ ಸೇರೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಕನಸುಗಳು ನನ್ ಕನಸಾಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಜೋಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಕಂಪನಿ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಕನಸುಗಳು ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಏನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ದು ಕಂಪನಿ 2007 ಇಂದ 2013 ವರೆಗೂ ಇವತ್ತು 50 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 50 ಲಕ್ಷದಿಂದ ಕೋಟಿ ಗಟ್ಟಲೆ 27 ಕೋಟಿ ಗಟ್ಟಲೆ ಟರ್ನ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದರಿಂದನೂ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಬಡ ಕುಟುಂಬದವ್ರು, ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೈಫೈ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ನನಗೊಂದು ಮಗ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಬಟ್ ನನಗೇನೊಂದು ಆಸೆ, ಕಂಪನಿ ಇವಾಗ 6 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು 30 ಕೋಟಿ ಟರ್ನ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇನ್ನ 6 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ 12 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ 50 ಕೋಟಿ ಟರ್ನ್ ಓವರ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಎಂಬ ಕನಸಿದೆ. ಆ ಕನಸಿಂದ ನನಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗೋದು.
ಕಂಪನಿದು ಕನಸು ರೀ.
ನನ್ನ ಕನಸು.
ನೀವು ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ತರ್ತೀರಾ? ಸೊ ಯು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಅನ್ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಕಂಪನಿ.
ನನ್ನ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೆ ಮೊದಲು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ मैं कुछ नहीं सीखा था, वो सीखा भी, फिर हमारा फैमिली का भी हेल्प हुआ. काम अभी आप
छोड़ो यार, कंपनी ने जो किया अभी छोड़ो. वो ड्राइविंग कर रहे हो आप, रियर मिरर में देख के वो बंद करो.
और मेरा बेटा अभी छोटा है, वो इंजीनियर होना है सामने, वो इंजीनियर पढ़ा रहा है.
वो यार बेटे को पूछो, तुम क्यों इसको इंजीनियर बना रहे हो?
अभी वो पैदा होके कितना 2 साल हो गया क्या? 2 साल पहले 2 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರು
ಮಗನಿಗೆ 1 ವರ್ಷ
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಅವನು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಕಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ.
Dream he's telling me.
Listen yaar,
But
You're
that
asking
should be
something
his
different.
dream, not your dream.
ಅವನ
ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ. ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಬೇಟಾ ಅಂತ
ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಈಗ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗೂ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. बेटे लोगों ये आजकल बेटे लोगों में और पिताजी में क्यों तकलीफ हो रही है? पिताजी बोलते हैं यार मैं इंजीनियर नहीं बन पाया, तुम इंजीनियर बनो. उसको यार नहीं बनने का है, तो उसका क्यों ये बनाता है?
फिर हमारा भी स्कूल तो पढ़ाना है और तो फ्यूचर
यार सुनो यार,
मैं तो सर मेरा को अभी
आप बता दीजिए क्या dream बता.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ.
My dream is by the closing of this financial year, our company should reach minimum 50 crore because we are already done past 30 years. And talk, speak, communicate. I want to bring it in my life.
Yeah. See, I want to become good communicator. After 6 months, I ask you, what happened, man? Yeah, I told you, no. You'll not do anything about it. Are you getting what I'm trying to do? Unless it is special. I'll give my example. I wrote in 2018. By 2015, I will become an international trainer. So what actions I will take for that? Number 1, Every day I will practice half an hour. Number 2, I do this. Number 3, I used to see that. Okay? Where I learned this? From Cassius Clay. Okay? I'll give you an example, another. If I tell you there is a boy with both legs polio. Both legs are polio. He wants to become a dancer. उसका ड्रीम क्या है? मैं डांसर बनना चाहता हूँ. बन सकेगा? Mother dream? Nagudilla. Would you like to meet him? You meet him.
क्या डांस
का तो मेरे को पहले से ही शौक था, लेकिन जब मैं पैरालिसिस हो गया, मैं जब 5 साल का था तब मेरे को पैरालिसिस हो गया था। तब मेरे को इतनी जानकारी नहीं थी कि पैरालिसिस क्या होता है। और जब मेरे को समझ में आया कि पैरालिसिस कितनी बड़ी ट्रेजेडी है, कि एक आदमी है जो पैरालिसिस हो जाए, हैंडीकैप हो जाता है, उसके लाइफ में क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम आता है, क्या क्या मुश्किलें आती है, वो तब से मेरे को पता चला।
कमलेश, मुझे लगता है हम एक डिसीजन अभी हम आपका परफॉर्मेंस देखना चाहते हैं। मैं बहुत ही उत्सुक हूँ कि देखेंगे कि आप क्या कर सकते हैं। ओके, सो कैन वी सी अ परफॉर्मेंस?
या,
थैंक यू।
एंड रोल साउंड।
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान। हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा। आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा।
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। जो वादा करते हैं करके निभाते हैं, हम पीछे हटते नहीं।
जो हमें प्यार दे, हमसे यार प्यार दे, दोस्ती के लिए जिंदगी अपनी मार दे। जो हमें प्यार दे, हमसे यार प्यार दे, दोस्ती के लिए जिंदगी अपनी मार दे।
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी।
अगर हर हिंदुस्तानी में आपका एक छोटा हिस्सा आ जाए, तो वाकई में हम हिंदुस्तानी कहलाने के लायक हो जाएंगे। आपका जोश, आपसे अगर प्रेरणा ले कोई भी, मैं तो मीन्स मेरे पैर ही मिल रहे हैं, क्योंकि मैं दोनों पैरों के साथ वो नहीं कर सकती जो आप कर रहे हैं।
और मैं अपनी देश की जनता को यही मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ कि मेरे साथ विकलांगों के साथ बहुत ट्रेजेडी होती है, और यही शो के थ्रू मैं यही अपने देश की जनता को मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ कि विकलांगता अभिशाप नहीं है। थैंक यू डांस इंडिया, थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ महागुरु, थैंक यू सो मच।
कमलेश भाई, आपके इस परफॉर्मेंस को जज करने की औकात ही नहीं आती। मैं
मैं सिर्फ हम टीम की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, इस पूरे देश की औकात नहीं है आपके इस परफॉर्मेंस को जज करने की। सीरियसली आपके लिए गुजराती सुना था ना, आपके लिए 3 वर्ड है, तोड़ी ना क्यों, भागी ना क्यों, भूखो करी ना क्यों ना। सो वाच है, सो वाच
आपने क्या कहा? कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा। You know how much is making per day? 50,000 rupees with one dream. When he did a dance performance in Asian Paints, गाने के बाद, डांस के बाद, उसको मास्टर ऑफ सेरेमनी क्वेश्चन पूछा, यार कमलेश जी, ये तुम्हारे डांस में सबसे डिफिकल्ट स्टेप कौन सा था? बोला वो चेयर पे डांस। चेयर पे ओके डांस हुआ, उसमें क्या इतना इम्पोर्टेंट है? तो कमलेश जी ने बताया, एक काम करो साहब, चेयर पे बैठो, अपने पाँव उठाओ और टर्न करके बताओ। जब तक उसने बताया नहीं, कोई नहीं समझ पाया कि क्या है वो। बोला 3 राउंड नहीं यार, 1 राउंड देके बताओ यार। मैंने 3 महीने लगाए सीखने में और मैं 2 ड्रीम देखा करता था। 2 ड्रीम, ये कौन सा ड्रीम? पहला ड्रीम ये है कि मैं स्कूल नहीं जा सकता था, मेरे पिताजी के पास पैसे नहीं थे, और पहला ड्रीम था कि यार मैं स्कूल नहीं जा रहा हूँ, कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ, तो मुझे वो रास्ते पे भीख मांगना पड़ेगा क्योंकि आप पाँव भी नहीं है। तो मैंने बोला ये ड्रीम नहीं सही होगा, इट वोंट, दिस पिक्चर विल नॉट कम ट्रू, दैट वाज माय ड्रीम। सो फॉर विच 11 बजे जब होटल बंद हुआ करता था, मैं वहां से जाके चेयर ले आया करता था, और वो चेयर पे 11 बजे से 12:30-1 बजे तक प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद हाथ दुखते थे, थकान होती थी, पूरा पसीने से भर जाता था, पूरा शरीर बदन दर्द कर रहा था, तो मैं ये पिक्चर देखता था, यार कमलेश तुझे भीख मांगना पड़ेगा। तो ये जब पिक्चर आता था मेरे जहन में, मेरे मन में, मैं जाकर ठंडे पानी से स्नान करके आता था 2 बजे, और फिर से 3-3:30 बजे तक प्रैक्टिस करता था, बिकॉज ये पिक्चर में नहीं सही लाना चाहता। One more picture was there. He said, what picture? That all these children who went to school, I wanted to teach them something. हैं? तू सिखाएगा उनको? क्या सिखाएगा? Only one thing, that ऊपर वाले ने मेरे पाँव को विकलांगता दिया, लेकिन वो स्कूल जाके अपने मन को विकलांगता दे रहे हैं। They are paralyzing their minds, and I wanted to teach them that don't give up. School is killing you. You have forgotten to take risks. You have forgotten to live life. Kamlesh shocked the whole crowd, 3,000 people. Are you getting what I'm trying to tell you?
Yeah.
My dear friends, have a dream like this. ಈಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ if you bring in your life that I will be taking care of Karnataka, sir, you retire, sir, I will take care of Karnataka, that is your dream. Sir, you look after international sales, I will look after Karnataka. That is what I am. Now are you getting the picture? Each one of you, my dear friends, have a big dream. And my own, which Ashwini said, my own, my dear friends, please understand, a drop on a leaf evaporates. A drop in tsunami is very powerful. I've seen many people leaving buoyancy. Sir, मैं अकेला स्टार्ट करना चाहता हूँ. I said, I will not stop you. But when they go alone, they find they have a problem. अश्विनी, मैं जो बात कर रहा हूँ सही है. So please understand, you want to grow, you are connected with one company, grow in the company. Tell them, sir, whole north I will look after. Have the guts to say that. Reach that area. But starting on the own, my dear friend, it's not everybody's affair. मैं ये जब I comes ना, it gets into illness. We gets into wellness. Are you getting the difference?
Yeah.
I'll do it. It's the biggest problem I'm finding today. क्या होता है? मेरा भी यही तकलीफ था. क्यों? मैं जब बॉम्बे में रहता था, 9 फीट बाय 11 फीट का रूम चाल में रहता था. तो थोड़ी एक डिग्री आती है ना, थोड़ा कुछ पैसे आ जाते ना, तो मैं जो है ना, वो बकरी की तरह मैं करने लगता है. मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ? Because I've gone through that nonsense. मैं देख रहा हूँ ना अजमेर, मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं कर रहा हूँ, बट आई एम फॉरगेटिंग दैट पीछे बहुत बड़ा सपोर्ट है. And only when I enter alone, no, then I realize, no यार, ये जो construction company है ना, अकेले करने में बहुत तकलीफ है, especially in today's time. I don't know. This is what I am finding out. Am I right? So please understand. Have dreams to grow with the company. आजकल क्या होता है, आपके कंपनी में जो वाइब्रेंसी है ना, is fantastic. हार्मनी है, सिम्फनी है. But the day you start harming each other for money, then the problem will come.
तो मेरा ड्रीम है कि मैं इंटरनेशनल स्टडी करूँ, तो खत्म करके जो मैं सीखूंगा वो कंपनी में अप्लाई करके एक कंपनी को, यहाँ पे कोका कोला में हम लोगों ने जो बनाया है, हम लोगों ने जो एक सेफ्टी का एक एनवायरनमेंट बनाया है, पूरा हम जो जहाँ भी प्रोजेक्ट करेंगे, कोका कोला चाहे जो भी हो, हमने कहाँ भी छोटा भी प्रोजेक्ट करे बड़ा, तो वो पूरा एफर्ट में उसमें डालना चाहता हूँ. वही मेरा ड्रीम है कि जो सेफ्टी हम लोगों ने शुरुआत किया है वो कंपनी में कितना भी बड़ा होने दो, वो मैं ही लीड करूँ और वे एक्सक्लूसिव प्रोजेक्ट में काम करना चाहता हूँ.
देखो ऐसा है ना कि टुडे सेफ्टी इज अ न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट एंड वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेटली सेफ्टी ऑल पीपल आर वेरी यंग. और प्लांट मैनेजर होते हैं, बॉस होते हैं 40 के ऊपर, 50 के ऊपर. Unless you are very assertive, safety officers have a big problem. I am finding it everywhere. Safety officers are all very young. Am I right what I am saying?
Right, sir.
And all the people who are running the plant are all very old. उनको भी टारगेट्स होते हैं. तो सेफ्टी ऑफिसर जाके रोकेगा ना काम, वो तकलीफ होती है. Very difficult. Am I right or wrong? नहीं समझा.
समझा सर. अगर आप रोकने की बात कर रहे हैं तो वो नहीं समझा. क्यों रोकने की?
Hang a bucket of water. Let one drop fall on that hardest marble ground, there will be a hole. That is the power of 20 minutes. Every day. I will never eat my dinner if I don't learn something new for 20 minutes. I am very cruel to myself. I care 2 hoots for becoming. Because if you are being, becoming happens. Everybody wants to take becoming. Nobody talks about being. Being is a very powerful force. Are you getting the message? मैं इंटरनेशनल डिग्री करूंगा. यार डिग्री के बगैर बैठ के तू पढ़ सकता है यार. If being is very important. People take MBA, ये सब for promotion, but BE, MBA, but I am not what is mentioned on my paper. Are you getting what I am trying to tell you? 20 minutes every day, and your change in yourself is 0.3%. How much? 0.3%. 30 दिन छुट्टी ले लो. Out of 365 days, multiply by 3 into 0.3. You are double every year. That is your increment you can give yourself. Only 20 minutes per day. Like suppose 20 minutes I every day invest in my English or Hindi or Kannada. I will become a champion. 20 minutes only. But throughout the life, I will find people keeping on complaining what to do. मैं हिंदी में पढ़ाई किया, ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, and ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದೆ. They'll go on crying and not do anything about what they should be doing. My question is, why can't you spend 20 minutes on yourself? Are you getting the point? Being. Being means present continuous. Not for one day, not for 2 days, including Sunday. Every day you eat, no? Every day you sleep. Every day study, man. But we only study when problems come. When exams come, we open our books. Otherwise, no books. How Burj is standing in that river, sea, read about it. Who stopped it? But no, what to do, man, I am only diploma, I am only this thing. I am my own enemy. Please understand this. I am sorry, but I told you, my job is to motivate. Both ways. If you are sleeping, I'll pinch you and make you feel. This is known as mental pinching. यार क्या कर रहे हो यार? बेस्ट सैलरी चाहिए, बेस्ट कपड़े चाहिए, बेस्ट बाहर से सब चाहिए, अंदर से बेस्ट तेरे हाथ में है, क्यों नहीं बनता है तो? Are you getting this? Shall we clap for this wonderful? I'll give another example. Suppose there is a boy who is born to a lady who has been raped, good or bad? बोलो यार. Boy delivered by a girl, 19 years old, raped, good or bad? And then this boy is born without both his hands. Then what happens? Raped, birth, no two hands, good or bad? And after 6 months, doctor says, hey, this child cannot hear. So he is raped, no father, 2 hands missing, dumb and deaf. What will happen to this child at your age? बोलो. कुछ नहीं होगा. Would you like to meet him? In 6 months he has earned 1.2 crores. Would you like to meet him? Why I am showing you all this is, our mental block I want to remove today. Our mental blocks we have to remove.
Just about everything with his feet, having a shave and washing his face and no problem, as are eating and drinking. Patel even has aspirations for a career and is studying.
When I graduate, I'll try to work in multimedia and animation. I'll work for the rights of other deaf and dumb people. However, there are issues like how to get around. I have to walk and can't ride a bicycle. I need a vehicle that I can operate.
Patel has met India's president as part of a group seeking better acknowledgement of the needs of disabled people. But when he's not busy campaigning, Patel enjoys painting, martial arts, and the odd bit of dancing.
Or are we all jumping around with performance? Hey, we are the best company, best company. What best company? Is it the best depending on your potential? Or are you comparing with the performance of others? And then you decide whether it is best. Are you getting what I am trying to tell you? Don't look at your performance, man. I am better than her, so I stop my growth. I am better than her, but God has given me much more potential. So I am a nonsense, useless person, man. I've got 100% capacity, she's got 50% capacity, she's performing 40% of the 50%, I'm performing 50%. That means 100% of her. So I get more increment. Actually, I'm a nonsense person for the company. Because she is giving 80% of her potential, I'm giving only less than that. My dear friends, please understand this. Our whole system is not proper. We have not been taught. We have been told, कितना पैसा मिलता है उतना दो तुम. नहीं, give your best. The best you can give. Never work, see money and work. Are you getting what I'm trying to tell you? So shall we clap for this wonderful? Next.
कितनी भी मेरे में डिसेबिलिटीज अंदर में डिसेबिलिटीज है उसको मैं इम्प्रूव करना. Like I said, IQ and EQ, I compared. According to I rated it in me only. What it was कि 95% I have EQ and 5% IQ. उसको मैं
नहीं ये सब फिगर मत दो.
नहीं because I
गलत है वो, गलत है. And because what is EQ, what is IQ? You have not understood it. Are you jealous or not of some people around you? No. Not ever? You want me to believe that?
It's not practically possible.
So, see, 1 minute. First is jealousy. Second is easy fear. Third is anger. All these are signs of poor EQ. You want to know all the 5? See, if you have temperature, you see with thermometer. But emotional health, you see with 5 factors. Number 1 is jealousy. Okay? Comparison will bring jealousy. Comparison will bring jealousy. Number 2 is easy fear. Boss बुला रहा है, boss बोल. So easy fear. Fear is not bad. Easy fear is bad. Number 3, anybody using the word boring is a person with poor EQ. Boring word नहीं use करता है तू. 4, procrastination. आज का काम अगर कल तू पुश करता है, that means you have poor EQ. A man with full EQ, 95% EQ, no, he will never push anything for tomorrow. Never. Fifth is quick anger. Anger is good, but quick anger is bad. I don't want to go into this. Another 2 hours I require to finish this EQ. But what I want to tell you is, you're 95 or 5 more. Without understanding, don't go into it. Without understanding, don't go into it. But anyway, your company has started this. You're very lucky. At least ये जिंदगी में यार इंजीनियरिंग के सिवा और भी हमारा इंजीनियरिंग दिस इज EQ. And then you realize, oh यार जिंदगी में और भी कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट चीजें हैं यार, आज तक किसी ने बताया नहीं है. हमारी खुशी इसके ऊपर डिपेंड होती है. आज जो कर रहे हैं आप लोग सिर्फ पैसे कमाने के लिए, लेकिन हैप्पीनेस इज नॉट गारंटी. टुडे यू हैव सीन, ओ यार आज तक हमने सिर्फ
Management may not, or they will not, should not concern or worry about that finance, as well as in company terms and as well as in my personal life.
The worst job in a company is accounts, because money gets wasted. He has to be like that Shashi Kapoor. जब तक भाई बोलेगा भाई सुनेगा, अगर मुजरिम बोलेगा तो पुलिस ऑफिसर बोलेगा. Like this, an accounts guy has to be a dual personality. Friend outside this table. You have to be very strict, and I'm very happy this company has the right person. Your personality is made for this, and you will be able to do it. Any other mild person, no, the company will never have funds in their bank. Little strict person who's pulling the strings is the best person for a. Are you getting what I'm trying to tell you? When I was looking after accounts in our company, we could never pay salaries on time. Now we have a lady, very strict. That day I went to Delhi and came back. I didn't have the ticket. She didn't pay me money. She didn't pay me money. And I can't open my mouth. You ask her how she is. Very difficult. Our accountant should be like this. Sir, it must be your company, sir. I'm doing my job. If you are forcing me to do wrong things, I will leave and help.
ऐसे लग रहा है साइड बोल रहे हैं. साइड सारा दिन
You should
तो
question
यही
me.
बोल रहे थे.
Maybe director or whatever. You should ask me whether if I am not.
I have a problem getting 20 rupees from her. That day, 210 rupees airport to house. She has not paid me because I lost the ticket. And I told her, I'll make a voucher. She said no. She's very strict. Makki chap she is. But because of that, there is no problem in the company. Are you understanding what I'm trying to tell you? Director ho, kuch bhi ho. She says company is mine. Company is mine. Remove accounts and you won't be able to run. You must be an engineer. My dear friends, in this game you must have seen the people in the middle are doing multitasking. People in the front will send one. Okay. So he wants to become a safety manager. Being a safety manager of my own life. Am I allowing any nonsense thoughts or am I stopping those thoughts? Can I become a safety manager for my own life? I will not accept, ये मेरे चावल में कंकड़ है मैं नहीं एक्सेप्ट करूंगा. बट जिंदगी में सिर्फ कंकड़. दो आदमी मिलेंगे क्या बात करेंगे, दूसरे के बारे में कंकड़. But that is a problem we have. Please understand, my dear friends, first become your own safety officer. Don't allow anything which is bad for your life.
बंगलों में बोलना
सब
चाहिए.
तो अपना अपना भाषा कह रहे हैं.
हाँ बोलो ना.
बोलो बोलो. মাতৃভাষা দিয়ে বল.
আমি আমি এখন কাজ শুরু করেছি. পরে আমি এস্টিমেশন ম্যানেজার হতে চাই.
এস্টিমেট ম্যানেজার. এস্টিমেশন ম্যানেজার.
তাতে আমি মানে ক্লায়েন্টের সাথে মানে চিটিং করে আমি আমার কোম্পানিকে মানে ইয়ে করতে চাই.
अब इसको ट्रांसलेट करना. Sit with your client and get orders.
She wants to negotiate.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. So, my dear friends, have big dreams. All of us.
Yeah.
Big dreams.
Think big.
Nobody can stop you. Nobody in this world can stop you. You are the only handbrake in your life. Nobody can stop you other than you. Your thoughts, your thinking. Okay? Negative thinking is your handbrake. So shall we clap for her also? Okay, remaining.
Influence them in some way or the other. Learn something and teach something.
Wonderful. Go on learning, go on studying. Okay? Be open. Take risks in life. Life, जिंदगी शान से जियो. क्यों बार बार मरते हो यार? ओके? एक बार मरो, लेकिन जब तक जियो शान से जियो. वैसी होनी चाहिए जिंदगी. ओके? चलिए क्लैप
Of course, all my team commitments are my team. I have to take it on my shoulder to also do that. This company, I would like to take it to a bigger heights. Capturing even international market will be a part of it. So I want this company to raise all with you people. It's not one man. It's not me alone can raise or Vandana alone can raise. It's you all will join hands and we'll raise together. And we'll make this company not 100 crore. Why not 200 crore?
Yeah.
Let's touch 200 crore benchmark. Today we have, in fact, if on 7 years of our total turnover, we have reached around 60 crores. And 40 crores what Dastagir was telling is this year we could finish, we may touch 100 crore. Not 100, we should say more. Let us aim more than 100 crores.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Now, different, let me tell you, I'm sure when, the Egypt Giza pyramid was built, he never could imagine that such a big thing, structure. Each block is so huge. How did they do it? Today's engineers are perplexed. From so far, such huge rocks, how did they bring it? That is what is life. Don't think small, think big. And I'm very happy, I go to many companies. You have a very conducive, the right blend, the right mix, the right attitude. It is possible by you. This company is different. Okay? And you all are like a beautiful family. Wonderful family spread, but with connection with each other. The only thing which is stopping us is our ego, little bit here and there, Trying to prove that I am better than you. Don't do that. Don't do that. Energy is lost. Nobody is big, nobody is small. We're all different. Even the wife, husband, I'm married for 32 years. It's impossible to understand people. The day you understand, a problem starts. I'll give you an example. Can you wear the same dress every day, Sai? Can you wear? Can you eat the same food every day? Can you live with the same wife every day? It's because the wife will never be same.
Every day she's different.
मुझे नजरिया बदलना चाहिए because she's not same. She's maturing, she's aging, and every day she's different. Today when Sai goes back, maybe he can take a rose and tell, when I was passing the market, I saw this flower, I was reminded of you. And then she will be in 7th heaven. Now Sai is already planning. बगल में है वो yellow फूल है, red फूल है, वो लिए ही लेके जाएंगे. Why not? Forget the rose. She opens the door. What's her name? Wife's name?
Malar.
Malar. Plain. But I've never said, wow, this is the best sambar in the world. I don't think, forget Bangalore, nobody in this world will be. Hey, you put your spouse in some 7th heaven. Why can't we do it? But what do we go? Nonsense people. We go home. क्या है? नमक नहीं है. मैं इसके लिए काम करता हूँ. अरे, nonsense words start coming out. Am I right or wrong, Ashwini? So please stop this nonsense. Let us learn to spread goodwill, feel good factor. Not by giving material rose, but words. Appreciation. Ace personality बनाओ सबको. ACE, do the 3 A's. Accept people as they are. Acknowledge and appreciate. Do these 3 A's. Don't do the 3 C's. Criticize, compare, and conditions. And automatically, 3 E's will emerge. Enthusiasm, energy, and emotional health. Are you getting this point, my dear friends? To make people ace, this is the thing, this is the way you have to do it. Shall we clap for this wonderful?
Same what Sai thought of. And उसके साथ add on कि मैं चाह रही हूँ कि मेरा कम से कम 4 floor office हो with triple the people what we have today.
Wonderful.
Yeah, at least.
So, dream big. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to dream big through meditation. Okay. All of you come a little inside. बात मेरी तो जहां भी जाते हो बात पहले सुनो। हर गम को तू अपना कर, दिल का दर्द छुपा कर। कोई भी कंपनी में जाओ, कैसे एंटर होते हो, अयो कितना ट्रैफिक, ये क्या ट्रैफिक इंस्पेक्टर है जो स्टॉप कर सकता है? नहीं। ये दो लेडीज मीट होते हैं, वो क्या बात करते हैं, अयो कल टमाटो का रेट 8 था, आज 10 हो गया, आधा घंटा डिस्कशन, वहां रेट नहीं चेंज होगा। सही बात है। हर गम को तू अपना कर, दिल का दर्द छुपा कर बढ़ता चल, तू लहरा कर। किस तरह से बढ़ोगे? लहरा कर। आजकल लोगों में बहुत दिक्कतें आ गई है। हाउ आर यू? आई एम फाइन, थैंक यू। सब फाइन्स भर रहे हैं। कैसे हैं? हाँ चल रहे है की तरह, हाँ नड़ीता ही अरे नॉनसेंस। माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, today onwards your word should create your world. How are you? Fantastic, splendid, wonderful, top of the world. यार यूज करो यार, पैसे तो नहीं देने पड़ते हैं।
सर एक बात रह गई, वो हम लोगों ने अपनी कंपनी का वो रखना था ना,
हाँ
स्लोगन
लेंगे इसके बाद, थोड़ा मोटिवेट हो जाएंगे ना। ओके, हर गम को तू अपना कर, दिल का दर्द छुपा कर बढ़ता चल, तू लहरा कर, तू दुनिया के सुख दुख को बिसरा कर। अगर आप इस तरह की जिंदगी जियोगे तो जिंदगी में रिदम आता है। रिदम क्या है? मेरे साथ गाओ। जिन्ना झिन झिन झिन्नारा, जिन्ना झिन झिन झिन्नारा, जिन्ना झिन झिन झिन्नारा, जिन्ना झिन झिन झिन्नारा। साथ तेरे है ऊपर वाला, साथ तेरे है ऊपर वाला, वही है तेरा रखवाला, वही है तेरा रखवाला। We sing together. 1 2 3 4. जिन्ना झिन झिन झिन्नारा, जिन्ना झिन झिन झिन्नारा। साथ तेरे है ऊपर वाला, वही है तेरा रखवाला। ओके, गॉट द वर्डिंग्स? वही है तेरा रखवाला। ओके, सेकंड पैराग्राफ। सुख दुख है जीवन के दो पहराए, धूप सुनहरे कहीं घनेरे साए। वेरी नाइस ना? लेकिन हम क्या करते हैं? मुझे वहां जाना है, यो हरिबल धूप, क्या धूप कम होगा? नहीं ना, रिस्पेक्ट धूप। अयो मले ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, that मले will give you pneumonia. My dear friends, don't complain, stop complaining, start living, start contemplating. सुख दुख है जीवन के दो पहराए, धूप सुनहरे कहीं घनेरे साए। जो सूरज अंधियारे में खो जाए, वही लौट कर नया सवेरा लाए। तो जो सूरज डूब जाता है, टू राइज अगेन। प्रॉब्लम्स विल कम, फेस इट। God gives you problems so that the best comes out of you. But we go to temple, church, mosque. God, remove my problem. I'll give you coconut and candy. What man? He's a politician there sitting. God has got no other work. ऊपर बैठ के यार किसको बकरा बनाए, थोड़ा गोल्ड चाहिए था, थोड़ा सिल्वर। What man? When are we going to learn? Okay? We call ourselves educated. Are we really educated? Please understand, my dear friends. Let's be rational in life. Okay? जो सूरज अंधियारे में खो जाए, वही लौट कर नया सवेरा लाए। तू बढ़ता चल, तू लहरा कर, तू दुनिया के सुख दुख को बिसरा कर। टुगेदर। जिन्ना झिन झिन झिन्नारा, जिन्ना झिन झिन झिन्नारा। साथ तेरे है ऊपर वाला, वही है तेरा रखवाला। जिन्ना झिन झिन झिन्नारा, जिन्ना झिन झिन झिन्नारा। साथ तेरे है ऊपर वाला, वही है तेरा रखवाला। लास्ट पैराग्राफ वेरी प्रोफाउंड इट इज। बहती नदियाँ तुझको याद दिलाए, समय जो जाए कभी लौट ना आए। दीप तो वो जो हवा में जलता जाए, खुद को जलाकर जग को राह दिखाए। कितना प्रोफाउंड है दैट। माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, वी वर्क इन अ कंपनी एंड वी कर्स द कंपनी It is like me telling my mother, Mama, you are like a drum. You know, you should have figure like a Deepika Padukone. What a nonsense people we are. Am I right or wrong? We live in India and we curse India. You're not proud about it. Be proud of your company. Don't forget, दीप तो जो हवा में जलता जाए, हवा जोरों की है, लेकिन उसमें जो ऑक्सीजन है उसको देखकर दोनों डांस करते हैं. लेकिन either I can complain, hey don't, I will go off. No, बोलते यार चलो डांस करते हैं, because the 20% oxygen in you keeps me alive. Let us look that, my dear friends, I am growing, my family is surviving. Let us be very thankful, because whatever I do with ill will become ill for me. Are you getting this point? बहती नदियाँ तुझको याद दिलाए, समय जो जाए कभी लौट ना आए. दीप तो वो जो हवा में जलता जाए, खुद को जलाकर जग को राह दिखाए. तू बढ़ता चल, तू लहरा कर, तू दुनिया के सुख दुख को बिसरा कर. टुगेदर. जिन्ना जिन जिन जिन्नारा, जिन्ना जिन जिन जिन्नारा, साथ तेरे है ऊपर वाला, वही है तेरा रखवाला. ला 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 ला. Nice song. Good. So download this song, all of you, and as soon as you listen to this song, today's whole day, you cannot forget in your life. Am I right or wrong? Listen to all these things, use it, and I'm sure wonderful things will happen. We are poised for big things. Your company has to become a large company because the scope is there. One of the fastest developing country in the world is India, and why not your company become the fastest developing construction and consulting company? All are for it? Okay. Yes. If you all are for it, put your hands up, all of you, and say, my company best. Yes. Okay. One minute. 1, 2, 3. My company best. Yes. कैसा लग रहा है? All of you have charged?
Bursting लग रहा है.
Very good. Okay. So I finished. Now let us end with one slogan which we are going to start using instead of good morning, hello. No, yeah, that slogan will be used.
Yes.
Simple, one word maybe, or maybe maximum 2 words. Nobody sentences. Anybody?
100 cc VR.
100
cc VR.
100 cc VR, matlab 100 cc. 100 is what we have thought of.
Okay.
So cc is the capacity.
Okay, 100cc.
You know? That's what you are trying to say, cc engine.
Yeah, and then our name is also VREP CCPL. So you can take it either
Wonderful,
way.
okay.
So when we call C and 100 cc, hi. Is that what you want to say? No, something like
100 VR.
Yeah. Hey, 100 VR.
Yeah.
Hi, 100 VR. Hi, 100 VR. ऐसा बोलना है ना?
Hi नहीं करना, 100 VR.
So high we should not use.
Negative.
100 VR.
100 VR.
हाँ, hi तो हमारे नॉर्थ में तो की आए.
Hi.
Hi.
मर जाने को hi. So 100 VR. Is it okay, everybody? Okay. Today onwards, फोन कर तो 100 VR. सुबह किसी को मिलेगा 100 VR. ये क्या चीज है यार हम लोगों को 100 VR 100 करोड़ टच करना है यार. So you are spreading the message. Okay? And okay. So thank you very much. I have finished my class, and I can only suggest that if you all want.
Ramesh Babu, thank you.
You have achieved my and he's been a continuous support to us, and each and every one best part of it is he always acknowledges even the smallest part when we do something good, even bad. Okay, both are been acknowledged. So that way he's been always good to us, and because of him we have also grown a lot. And this greenfield is one of the biggest benchmark what he has created for us. So it is a moving, we are going to move in the same benchmark, and yesterday we had taken note of all our people saying that, we'll have to differentiate. greenfield will be like this. And this is our standard. Anywhere, whatever, whichever client we are going to go, we are going to work like that. Brownfield will have some different, what we decided. So, thank you so much, Ramesh, because you have come for us all the way. And today we just thought, we'll recognize our people for their great job. And by the time I'm giving this, I think I'll introduce that. I'll keep telling what they are. Okay. Okay. See, now we would like to recognize each and every one of you with a small certificate and a memento, because this is to give you a boost. At the same time, it's the work what you people have really done it. It's not just like that. So you have really done a lot of good works, and most of them, it's all the people from all different sides. We called for them for that today's meeting.
Can we do it that side because
Okay, Pushparaj has been working with us for last 6 to 7 months. Okay? And Ramesh Babu also knows him. He's the guy who is working in our greenfield and taking care of our civil, RCC wall in charge. So he's really done a very good job. And in fact, I could say in front of him, because he's the person who was appreciated about him, that the way hard work he has been putting. And he's the guy who's been crushed also at times.
Yes. See, one thing I just want to remind. See, when we started this work, we were just checking roads, okay? One day I got him. I asked him, how did you do this? Okay, he know the fact how it is done, but I don't know what happened. He was afraid when I asked that particular question. I don't know, everybody is, I'm your friend, but please think that first, okay? He was a bit tense first, but later, whatever he does, he ensures that he knows that perfectly, and whatever I ask, he has everything in his hand, in his tips. That is the best part of it. All the very best. So, Pushpa Raju. This is first or this first? Which one is first?
Thank you.
All the very best. Okay, keep up. You are the base. Build up.
I will call Mamuni. Mamuni has joined little
recently,
and I think she will need some more time to pick up and try to today's meeting has given a boost to her.
Okay.
You have to improve on and come up, right? So we would like to appreciate you for that.
She is very silent, okay, and we used to pull her for all the daily reports and all those things, and she is coping up. All the very best. Keep up. Yeah, one second, just.
Just hold on, please.
Be cool.
Sure. Okay, please. Thank you.
Okay. All the best.
Okay, now I'll call Amrish. Amrish is really outstanding because the Biddi old project, final completion, handing over to Satya Narayan was a great task.
That is the biggest task.
He has done a very good job on that.
Really, I'm telling you, it is the biggest task.
Very biggest task.
See, Satya is my colleague. He is very tough, tougher than me. So I myself find it very difficult to manage several things. So you have done a very good job. I'm telling you.
And Mr. Rajalesh, he's been a safety person.
See, first person whom I police took a bath. Okay, next person whom I police this leisurely. All the rest.
So his favorite people right now.
Thank you. Okay. All the very best. Keep up the good work. Safety is far most important. That is the base, and that will keep up.
Thank you. Mr. Durgappa.
Durgappa.
Durgappa is in Greenfield right now, and he's taking care of the peripheral border security forces. He's taking care of our RR Masonry, and he's really doing a good job there. So,
see, this project of Coca-Cola,
And
after
he's
12 years.
the oldest person with us.
Oh, great.
he's one of the oldest. He was working with us from the L&T side.
Oh, okay, good, great. See, this Greenfield project, it was a very much important project for all of us in Coca-Cola, because in terms of the timelines available, in terms of the requirements for the future. We are doing this greenfield for the last, after 12 years we are doing this. So, in last 12 years, we see there are many changes in the company in terms of safety, in terms of quality, in terms of expectations, everything. So, we are the first people, to show the difference to the coke. We are the first people, that impact need to be given. Okay. In that aspect, if you see, the RR masonry is the one particular topic which I never spoke about. Even in the weekly meetings, I never asked about RR masonry. Okay. Very good. All the very best. All the very best. From beneath the times, I am seeing him. Very active.
Very active. And Chidanand. Mr. Chidanand is again, I could say, Satya's best friend in completing all the project, because he took it everything by storm. Whether we say yes or no, he was doing just like that to complete and come out.
Okay.
So he has really done a great job during finishing. Now he's moving to Vijayawada.
Okay, good. See, about Chidanand, see, many things, the good part of everybody is not that your boss or somebody tells good about you, but I've heard from others. Shekhar, he has told many things on the billing part, all those things. So, others need to speak about us. Okay? All the best.
Thank you.
All the best.
Mr. Tyagarajan, you are 2 months old in our company, but you are maintaining your project. And I think Ramesh Babu will give you a little more insight of
See, this is one of the toughest sites, whatever I manage, and the expectations are very, very high. Okay, so every day we used to fight. But thing is that his good part is he will somehow get things out of others. Okay, all the very best. And keep it up.
Mr. Suhail Kapoor, on the stage, please.
Varanasi.
No, he was from Varanasi. He was a safety
Okay.
person. Suhail Kapoor was a safety guy, and he has done an outstanding performance over there. Because really, when Tukapa was there, he was trained under him. And after he left, he has taken alone, and he has been running this for the last 1 year from there. Almost 1 year he is going to complete now.
See, Coca-Cola doesn't know about safety until last year. Now suddenly we formed on vertical called safety, and we are putting all pressures on everybody, not only you guys. Every people who are with us, every partners, every element of Coca-Cola is under pressure now because of safety. Okay, and in that scenario, getting safety implemented to the requirement of Coke is very difficult, and in that case,
He's been awarded with Varanasi. In fact, Ramesh, I could say he's been awarded at Varanasi by the safety team. Because he gels with the people, with the team, whatever laborers ke saath he mingles, and he really does a good job in that. So we are appreciated. Now to a little bit higher sector which we would like to go. We have our office team, Mr. Yogananda Murthy. He's our oldest and a finance guy who's been with us from the day when we started. So he has really been doing a wonderful job with fighting with us and we fighting with him. This function.
See, fight is very much important, because when you fight for the good things, good results come up. All the very best.
And the next man, Mr. Dastagir, please. In 1 year, he's been with us completing 1 year, and today is his birthday.
Oh, great. That's a good news.
So,
and happy birthday. He's great.
We would like to tell him about Executional Excellence Award for this.
Okay.
Because he has really executed this year.
No, I have seen it.
Yeah.
I have seen
it. That's why most of my team you know very well. Because he did very good job in this during time. Thank you.
All the very best. Science told everything, and I have witnessed that. So, all the best.
And Mr. Tukapa.
Come.
One and only Tukapa He started with us last three and a half years now. Really, he did a wonderful job in Pune and continued with Varanasi also. Maybe thoda sa little bit lacking hoga, but he has put his very much greatest effort in Greenfield also. I think you are the best to acknowledge him. Please.
It's okay, अपने पास रखो.
It's an executional excellence award to him also. He's been very much instrumental to us. Actually, he gave a very good presentation yesterday on safety. Very big, very long presentation he has given to each one of us to make sure that he's committed quite a lot. You can see.
See, I need more time to talk about Tukapa. See, I heard about Tukapa when I was handling Chennai project. Kishan called me once. He said, "Yeah, in Pune these guys are doing very good and safety." See, I'll tell you. I made the basic construction safety guidelines for Coca-Cola. When I joined in 2009, there was nothing about safety in Coca-Cola. Okay, I was like, when I came inside, I said, "What is this? Where Coke is?" I mean, I was very new, and I am saying nobody's bothered about any safety or anything like that because I came from a different background. I was like, "This, what happened?" Then I made this basic safety construction guidelines. Okay, so when Kishan told that these guys are taking care of safety very much. I thought, okay, so let me look into their weekly reports. Okay, then I got Tukapa weekly report. Everything was very perfectly projected. So the expectation from Tukapa was somewhere here. That he only raised the bar.
Raised the bar.
So with the same intent, I came to the greenfields. Okay, initially we had a lot of fights and expectations were, it was very high. So we fought regularly. Okay, and he has taken many inputs from us, and he has given many inputs, and he has made many presentations, which is going to be the future for safety as a base in VRT. Okay, all the very best, Tukapa. Now then, charge over there.
Charge down there.
Keep the charge always up. It should not come down. Okay, for that, whatever you want to do, please. All the very best, Tukapa. Thank you, sir.
We are calling one more hero, Mr. Ashwini Tiwari.
Varanasi hero?
He's a Varanasi. So he has done a wonderful job. As a single-handed person, he has managed the entire site on civil and everything.
All the very best. I heard about you before. Because
You must be
again, I'm
old
telling you.
Alexander.
Yeah. See, others need to talk about us. It's not, our bosses are, not like that. Everybody need to speak about us, our good things. So in that way, I heard about you. All the very best.
In fact, we are giving him operational excellence.
Okay, good.
Because he has done a very good work over there. Thank you.
So keep up.
And last but not least, we are calling in Miss Kadambari Kohli to be here. She's been a backbone of this company. And she's been doing wonderful job, and he is maintaining almost all our sites. And by left, right, everything is she.
See, about Kadambari.
Not only for me, I think for most of the people right now, she's every day contacting and talking to each and everyone. So she is a favorite to everyone.
Yeah.
So she has been given,
Organizational excellence. See, when I met Kadambari for the first time, it was Ravi's project.
Yeah.
Okay.
2010.
And from that time to today, where you are, really that is great. In terms of your confidence, in terms of smiling, let me be very open. The mails which are, whatever I receive now, first Kadambari, okay, chalo, see, those things and all. See, professionalism is very much important for us to grow. Every time we need to take one step up, not down. Okay, that way if I see Kadambari, for the last 3 years I'm observing you. I have told Sai also before. You are professionalism in terms of approaching the client, managing the work, firing people, firing clients. That is excellent.
Thank you.
All the very best. And keep up. Future is yours.
I'll call our director, Vandana, please come over here. She's the last daughter.
Okay.
Come.
She's our future architect.
She's
Okay. That's what I asked in the and another daughter is she's darling.
No, she's. I don't know why she's late. She's
Okay.
coming.
Okay, great.
So.
I'm running over this back. Because today I would say this entire event, what has happened, we are all gathered here just because of that. because she has put lot of effort. She fought with me also because I don't want to spare anybody.
Okay.
I was more oriented. She said nothing doing. You please have to convince the client for 2 days.
No.
So she
First
really
instant
made
I
it
said
happen.
yes, this is required. I
It
told
was actually required because
Yes.
all firefighting was happening and.
No, I used to fight for everything with Sai. This time he said 2 days you have to spare. I was just like this, correct? 2 days. Then he said training. And I said it is required. So I'll take care of Sai. That's what I told him.
Really, in fact, 2 days he was supporting us.
Supported us.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
thank you
I
so
really
much.
thank Ramesh.
So everybody, I want to congratulate you. And for the future, now our company is We Are 100. So, we have a slogan from today
Okay.
that no good morning, no good afternoon, no good evening. It's only We Are 100.
We are 100. Okay, good.
We want to reach 100 crores.
100 crores, okay, good. See, I can see brightness behind every head.
Yeah.
Last 2 days, I think these guys are charged very much. Keep up the charge.
Yeah, right.
Many a time, I also crossed the way you were, attending the training program. These 2 days, up. Next day, go to the side. This is not done, that is not done. No, bas khatam. That charge should not come down. Okay, keep up the charge. Training is very much important. The way we are stepping up, our organization will come up, and to whom we are working, and the total. See, engineers make the world. You are the guys for the future. How you want your future to be? Decide now. Plan it. Okay. Do it. Do the best. Do the best from your heart, and it is your future. Okay. You are working for your organization. I am working for Coke. End of the day, it is our future. When you buy a bottle of Coke or any product, you are going to consume. You are building a factory for somebody. You are going to use the byproduct. Okay. Yes. It is your future. It is in your hands. Okay. Be charged always. Do it from heart. Everything will be, appreciated, and you will automatically come up. That I believe. That I used to say, sir. Let's do from our heart. Okay. Ownership. Everything will be good. Okay. All the best.
We have a small token of. Come, we'll have one
And
photo.
in the last, I would like to say
Yeah, please,
everybody,
one
who
second.
we are and where we are, I think he's the main person behind it. Isn't it? Everybody agree?
Yes.
So even though we always, and I especially, because in the cabin when I sit, you people never know it, but I always fight with him for something or the other, because of his shoutings. But I think today we have reached because of his shoutings, So I think thank to him to be with us and supported with us for all the angles. Thank you.
In Coca-Cola, soy is never differentiated from any of us, in one of us. Whenever he comes to our office, he is considered one among all of us. Everybody congratulate, everybody discuss, sit personally, talk personally, officially, whatever it is. And every leadership team available in every person in the leadership team, they know Sai and they appreciate his good work. Today, the efforts which I am seeing, whatever he is taking on this greenfield, is exemplary. Exemplary. See, till today I am telling you, not even a single mail went to my boss stating that this is not done, that is not done. Okay, because of the efforts done by all of the team here, and the push he is giving and the support he is giving. Today, what we are. Okay. Otherwise, this greenfield is a question mark. See, my organization expectation is very, 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 very high. To match that, it needs a different kind of approach and efforts. That's why it's doing. All the best.
Thank you so much.
For the efforts.
Coming and also.
So can we have one photo all together?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Bye, yeah.
Say fine.